Welcome to our updated technology preview of Lattice Commander. We've been working hard on improving NetFabb's youngest avenue for creating and editing lattices, making work as easy as drag and drop. Introducing with update 2018.3, you can define thickness gradients across your lattice. Just by defining position and thickness at each start and end, NetFabb calculates and applies the intermediate thicknesses to all involved beams. Fast and intuitive controls assist in latticing volumes and applying gradients in no time. To provide even more flexibility, you can split your lattice into sections to work with them individually, or to discard those you don't need. To fully fine-tune individual locations in your lattice, you can move beams and junctions, add new beams between existing junctions, even extend beams, adjust beam thicknesses, delete beams, or collapse them and merge the junctions involved. By the way, we've also made lattices and supports work together. Move bar supports to Lattice Commander for editing, or even move lattice to supports generation. We hope you like the new features and are looking forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks for watching.